Welcome to World of Advanced Metals and Alloys Analysis with Elvatech handheld analyzers. Today we will introduce you the key analysis modes that makes the ProSpector 3 an indispensable tool in various industrial applications. Handheld analyzers like the ProSpector 3 have revolutionized the analysis process by offering fast and accurate results right in the field. Let's take a closer look at the unique instrument. The ProSpector 3 kit includes everything you need to get started: the analyzer itself, charger, test sample, and a laboratory stand. Its ease of use and high accuracy analysis make it an invaluable tool for professionals. One of the ProSpector 3's key modes is alloy composition. This mode is ideal when the user has the task of examining an alloy with the unknown grade or one that is in the process of being developed. Let's take a closer look how it works in real life. For example, we will just take one of our sample from our set and take a measurement of it. You can see the result in a screen. This mode is especially important for companies developing new grades of alloys. It allows the chemical composition to be determined with high precision, which is critical for innovating and product quality. Furthermore, this mode is invaluable in the jewelry industry for creating and testing unique alloys, as well as in the aviation sector, where the highest accuracy and reliability for materials are required. The ease of use and the ability to instantly obtain results make the ProSpector 3 the essential tool for innovating and quality control at any stage of production. The spectrum mode in the ProSpector 3 analyzer is designed for in-depth material analysis and is especially valuable for professionals. In this mode, user can observe the intensity of peaks for various elements and study energy dispersive. So now let's see how it really works in the device. We will just take a look at our previous results and set in the options to spectrum. And here we go. Now you can see all the spectrum here, and you can transfer this result in this form. This mode might be of interest to researchers and developers of new materials, allowing them to analyze in detail element peaks and the presence of light elements in the microscale. For professionals working at the high level of detail and requiring a precise understanding of material composition, the spectrum mode opens up a new possibility in analysis and research. In alloy grade mode, ProSpector 3 is a powerful tool for alloy identification. It analyzes the chemical composition of a sample and, based on the data, indicates which known alloy from the library it corresponds to and shows how closely it matches. The analyzer instantly collects the spectrum and immediately provides information about the alloy grade. This allows you to determine the compliance of the analyzed sample in a short time, just 2-3 seconds, and the measurement time can be adjusted depending on the required accuracy. For example, if you know that there is a low concentration of some elements in the sample, you can increase the measurement time to reduce the error. In the device, it works really easy. So let's take a closer look at it. We just go to the calibration mode and set it for alloy grade. Now we will take a measurement on one of our samples. It's RM12 and it's nickel chrome base alloy. So let's take a closer look, just setting the alloy grade. As we get the result and you can match it, we have the RM12 of 99% match, and it's showing us that it's nickel chromium alloy based. With the flexibility to customize measurement times, the ProSpector 3 delivers high precision analysis, making it an indispensable tool for a wide variety of application, from quick identification to a deep analysis research. Whether in production or incoming material inspection, the alloy grade ensures reliability and accuracy for every specialist. The ProSpector 3 alloy comparison mode gives professionals advanced analytical capabilities. It allows you to compare the measured chemical composition of a sample to either predefined benchmark or to an automatically selected alloy grade from the library that best matches to the sample you are analyzing. This mode is particularly valuable when precise adjustments to the production process or quality control are required, and it not only establishes for conformity of sample to the standard, but also identifies how exactly and for which specific element the sample differs from the reference alloy, providing a complete understanding of its composition and identifying even the smallest deviations from the standards. In the ProSpector 3, this mode actually called Compare to Alloy, and let's take a look how it really works. So for this we need to go to the calibration, go to the option again and set it to Compare to Alloy. Now we need to measure it. So as it appears on the screen, you can see the very right column, which actually corresponds to the range of concentration of each element in a benchmark. And now it's lightning gray. If any of this element will be lightning red, it will show you that this element is out of the range. It's not matching to the standard alloy. The use of Compare to Alloy mode in ProSpector 3 allows specialists to effectively manage quality at every stage of production, ensuring that the product meets strict standard and requirements. The Pass and Fail mode is a powerful quality control option that allows the user to quickly determine if the measured alloy meets the selected standard. By selecting the alloy grade of interest and setting the compliance threshold, you can instantly know if the sample meets your requirements. This mode is particularly valuable when you need to perform a quick quality control of incoming raw materials or finished products. A large number of samples can be checked in just a couple of minutes, which significantly increases the efficiency of production process. To show you how it really works, we need to set it on the device. So let's go to the options again. And here we had just a pass and fail mode, but before we go to the measurement with this mode, we need to adjust the decision threshold, and let's just leave it on a 60. So it basically shows you the percentage that allowed to be compared to any grade. And now let's go to alloy compare to. We got it RM6, so it basically means that we will compare all our alloys to this alloy, and we can just set it OK and start to analyze it. So we get a pass on the first mode, and the match to RM6 is actually 93%. Let's go further. Yeah, and here the result is absolutely different because it's actually RM10, and here we got that just 18% match to RM6. The next one. The next one that we got failed, but it was really close because it's just a 55% match to RM6. It's RM8. And the last one. And here we got just a 32% match, and it shows us that it's failed. So basically, you can see that it took me just less than 1 minute with the explanation to show you this function work on 4 different samples. With the ability to set a compliance threshold, the pass and fail mode also allows you to sort similar alloy grades with the minor variations, ensuring accurate compliance to specifications. This makes it an indispensable tool in the industry where it is important to quickly and accurately assess the material quality. As we have seen today, using the ProSpector 3 handheld analyzer and its various modes of analysis opens up a new horizon for metal and alloys professional. Whether it's a rapid material identification, detailed comparisons with the reference alloys, or product quality control, the ProSpector 3 delivers high performance and quality assurance at every stage of production process. We believe that implementing innovative solutions such as ProSpector 3 not only improves the efficiency of work in process, but also contributes to achieving new standards in production quality and safety. To get more information about the capabilities of our analyzers, you can contact our managers by the phone or write an email. Don't miss out the next reviews and interesting videos. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell to be notified on new videos. Also, don't forget to like this video so we know you enjoyed it. Stay tuned and see you soon.